What is going on, guys? So coming at you with another crawling video. I am going to include the new section of the course too as well. Rearranged all the gates to include that, and I am going to be doing a little bit of a video experiment. So bear with me on that. Instead of like following the trucker along with this stupid camera in my hand, I got places periodically throughout the course where I'm going to station and do more of like a location shooting, gate per gate and stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you know what I'm going to do. Many people do it. But anyway, it's my first time doing it this way, so bear with me. So I think today we are going to run this guy, little Crusher. Haven't run him in a while. It might be kind of sketchy going up and down the new part of the course because it's not very smooth, but we'll give it a whirl. So yeah, let me get a battery going and we'll get to it. have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. My little filming experimento. Oh, man. So, anyway, happy Monday. So, we will see you guys on Wednesday. And as always, guys, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. Take it easy.